Are you feeling that pain in your neck area? It's tight and it can be sharp pain, and also it radiates up to your head. It's giving you that headache, that sharp headache, or sometimes a migraine-like pounding headache. If you are, I want you to watch this video because I'm going to show you 5 very effective exercises on how you can relieve your neck pain and how you can relieve that headache. So make sure you watch till the end so you'll be able to do all those exercises. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps us a lot. Let's jump right into it. Now, there are different causes of neck pain accompanied by headache, but most commonly, it is because of muscle spasm in the neck area. So what happens is when you have muscle spasm, so imagine your muscles around the neck area here tightening up. When they tighten up, it creates lactic acid. And that lactic acid, once it builds up, it causes pain. It's the same principle as when you have, let's say you're lifting something. You try holding, try holding a weight and then hold it in this position for a long time. You're gonna feel your biceps, your arms gonna burn. And that's because of the lactic acid that builds up. So it's the same principle as in the neck area. That's why you'll feel that tightness, that discomfort in the neck area as well, because all the muscles are so clenched up. They're so tight like this. Now, that's why you have that neck pain. And how it relates to your headache is now, because when you have those muscles tightening up like this, you have nerves coming out of your cervical spine. So it comes out of the cervical spine to the side and then goes to the head. So what happens is when you have that muscle tightening up, it's not uncommon that it will put pressure on those nerves. And when it puts pressure on those nerves, you will cause pain. And you will feel the pain where the nerve ends. In this case, it will end on your head, so you will feel that pain on your head, and that's what we call your headaches. So now that you know what's causing that neck pain and that headache, question is, what can you do about that? So the first stretch that I want to show you is the upper trap stretch. So we're going to, you can put your hand behind your back, and then one hand top of the ear, and then you're going to pull to your side like this. Make sure when you pull, you're not bringing your shoulder up like this and you're not bending your trunk like this. So you have to keep steady. You can do it in sitting or in standing. Just make sure the shoulder is down and then you pull to the side. You're going to feel a stretch on the muscle here on the side of your neck. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. Then you relax. You repeat that 3 times and then you can do it on the other side as well. So you can do that 3 repetitions and 20 seconds. Now the second stretch is the Levator stretch. So this is what I call the smell your armpit stretch. So what you're going to do, put your hand behind your back again, and then you're going to look at your armpit. So it's going to be the opposite side of the arm that's behind your back. And then you're going to put your hand at the back of your head. So you're going to pull it towards that armpit. So when you do that, you're going to feel the stretch in this area here when you're doing it this way. Make sure when you're doing this, make sure that you're not bending your trunk forward like this, that you're going down. Make sure you keep upright and you're just bending down like this. Same thing as earlier, hold it 20 seconds and you repeat it 3 times, going to one side and then you reverse. You go to the other side. So you can do it 20 to 30 seconds on each side and you repeat it 3 times. So behind the back like this, and then you're going to look at the armpit, pull it towards your armpit, make sure you're not bending your trunk, make sure you keep upright, and you should be feeling that stretch around this area here. And then you relax. Right. So you do that 3 reps, 20 seconds to 30 seconds each side. Now the third exercise that I want to show you is called the chin tuck. So basically you're going to tuck your chin. Now you have to do this correctly because a lot of people do this incorrectly. So make sure you watch. So you're going to tuck your chin back this way. So from the side, you're going to tuck your chin back this way. So you're bringing your chin this direction backwards. All right. Make sure you're not bringing your head back this way. A lot of times when I tell patients to bring their chin back, they're actually pushing their back of the head. So the occiput, they're pushing it back. So this has to be straight and this is just going to be in. So you're actually sliding the occiput up this way. So you're opening this upper part of the cervical. So you're going to go like this, and then you're going to hold it 5 to 10 seconds. Then you relax, and then you can repeat that 5 to 10 repetitions. And you can do it in standing, or you can do it lying down as well. If in standing you're having difficulty doing that shin tuck, you can do it lying down. It will be easier for you. But for simplicity, you can do it once you get better, you do it in standing, because then you can do it anywhere. Now, exercise number 4 is you're going to do a rotation stretch. With this exercise, with this stretch, you'll need a towel like this. So roll it up and put it around your neck. And then, importantly, when you're holding it, you have to let go, and you're going to cross your hands and holding it this way. It's important because you'll be able to stretch more effectively when you're holding the towel this way. Now you're going to stretch both sides. You're going to go one side first and then the other after 3 repetitions. So let's say in this position, my right hand is the one that's on top. So I'm going to stretch to my right side. So I'm going to pull this left hand down. This will keep my clavicle, keep this shoulder down, and also keep my body straight. And then this one is going to go in line with my jaw. You're going this way. And then while this pulling down, stabilizing my body, you'll pull this to the side, and then you're going to follow with your eyes, going to look all the way as far as you can to that side. So I'm going to look all the way to my right, and then using the towel, I'll pull it more. So I'll go this stretch. Hold it for 20 seconds, then you relax. You repeat it 3 times. And then what you can do, you're going to switch. This left hand will be up, so right hand will be down. This will be the stabilizing hand. And then in line with the jaw again, the towel. And then you're going to look all the way to the left side. And then stretch all the way. Holding it 20 seconds. And do it 3 repetitions to that side as well. And one important reminder with this stretch is make sure you go along, like in line with the jaw, not underneath it. Because when you go underneath it, as you can see, what's going to happen is you're going to strangle yourself. A big no-no, all right? So you want to make sure you go in line with the jaw either direction. Now, the 5th and last exercise that I want to show you in this video is called a scapular squeeze. So you're going to squeeze your scapula is your shoulder blade. You're going to squeeze your shoulder blades together. Imagine there's a penny between your shoulder blades and you're going to squeeze it. So this is how you're going to do it. So make sure that you're not lifting the shoulders up like this when you squeeze, because you're going to squeeze the shoulder blade like this, imagining there's a penny between your shoulder blades. And make sure you're not squeezing it up, because when you do this, when you raise your shoulders up, you're causing more spasm on your upper traps and neck area. That will lead to more tightness, that will lead to more headaches, and that will lead to more neck pain. So make sure the shoulders are down, squeezing it like this, hold it for 5 seconds, and relax. And then again, squeeze between like imagine there's a penny between the shoulder blades, and then you relax. So you can repeat that 10 to 15 repetitions. Now, you may feel some soreness in between your shoulder blades, especially if you're slouching a lot, because the muscle between your shoulder blades will be weak. That's okay. You continue doing that, it will strengthen those muscles, build up the muscle endurance, and that soreness will go away. Now, those are the 5 exercises that will help you relieve your neck pain, that neck stiffness, and your headache as well. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.